currently COVID patients are increasing and date of JEE and NEET is approaching near. So in this video I will put some of the simple points from reliable sources. So make sure to watch this video till the end.
Guys, welcome back to Physics Only. Here I am, with another interesting video.
First of all, who has the authority to make decisions about the JEE and NEET? So NTA is the governing body which has the authority to make decisions about the JEE and NEET. NTA hasn't announced anything yet. Before the NTA make any decision, it has to collect all of the COVID data from around the states. Now coming on the cancellation of JEE and NEET. JEE and NEET are not ordinary exams. Both are the entrance exams. It is not same as the CBSE exams. There is difference between normal exams and entrance exams. Entrance exams are specially designed for the criteria of admission in colleges, while normal examinations, they decide whether we will pass the standard or not. If this entrance exam will be cancelled, then there will be no students in the college this year. So cancellation of examination is not possible. Every day on an average 20,000 COVID cases are increasing. So if we calculate on the date of 18th July how many cases, number of cases are increasing exponentially. So if we predict number of COVID cases on 18th July, then it will be more than 10 lakhs. I have just accounted the average cases.
Subscribe to our channel Physics Only. Guys, smash down the like button and share this video with your friends.